Right, so yeah, this is our next hive I'm going to capture in Margarita Arima. This hive is, I didn't come here kind of late already. This hive seems to be a kind of difficult kind of hive to get. Look at it right there. I don't know if you all could see it. It's right there, but it laid such and work hard and see if I could get to it, right? Real work to get there. As I said, upon second look, I realized this hive is much more bigger than I thought. It could be a little this late or it would be real difficult to recover as much all the bees here as possible, but I'll try. Like I said, it's a really nice big hive. Alright, this is halfway through in this beehive, well, quarter way through I should say, yes. I started on tap some frames already. This is what it has still. Like I said, it's a pretty big beehive, right? All that's old comb from when the tractor man who put them onto the hive, all that's old comb that he tractor mash up. And that's the old hive, and these and I made a new hive from then till now. Right, but anyhow, I strap for time, so this is a little update. From all our commotion here, right? I'm so lucky I ended up catching the queen. Look how nice and lovely she is.